to look forward to. But next, this is all about our Luminary
Interests. Okay,
collection.
Brand new collection. Nobody's ever seen it before. This is brand new. We've
gorgeous.
never done this before. Okay, so I'm not supposed to have favorites. I have a couple of favorites this month. This is an amazing month. This September is just incredible. This dress is outrageous. This is a space dye. We have your 3 color choices. We have your copper, your gunmetal, and your ocean blue. You guys can figure out which is which. Here's the cool thing. Do you guys see the black in here? These are lined. These dresses are lined. And what's so funny is my models just looked over to me and said, this is so light. When have you put on a dress that was lined and was so light? Look at this dress. Look, okay, so put on a great belt with it. It is just the perfect dress that you're going to put on and wear to the office. Look, with the fabulous hat on Kathy. So fun here.
And the boots.
In the copper with the boot.
Love
Again,
the
it
banding
looks
at
like
the waist.
Yes, it looks like you're wearing a fit and flare skirt. It's the styling on the skirt. This dress is 42 inches long. Oh, look at the ocean blue on Donna. How phenomenal. This dress comes to the below the knee. The
I'm
way
showing
that it
42 inches in the length.
Yep, the way it fits on the body. Now, the lining is nylon. The dress itself, the outer part, is going to be polyester and spandex, but this is what we call a space dye. Do you see the texture in here? Not only do you see the texture, but it feels so soft. Okay, I was walking through the big department store on 59th Street, New York City the other day, okay, the really big expensive one, and I saw fabric like this. And the cardigan was $159. And I walked through there giggling.
Serious?
I walked through. I did. I was in the
knew.
store and I'm walking through it and I'm giggling and I'm going, okay, first of all, they copied us. And second of all, I can do this. I can name that tune for a third of the price. How about you?
Well, look at this. Seriously, at $49.90. That's our introductory price, brand new. And right now, oh, goodness sakes, we have a little more than 1,000.
Yeah.
And that's it. I mean, if that sounds like a lot to you, you haven't shopped here before with Carolyn. Honestly. And then look at the details as to how you, in fact, we'll show them to you on the hanger.
Yes.
Normally, we love it on the body, but I just wanted you to see the details make this so feminine.
It's a sweetheart neckline. When have you seen a sweetheart neckline in a knit? See, look at what we did here. We've got this great sweetheart neckline. That's right. That gives you that incredible shape. It'll hold its shape forever. The band at the waist is phenomenal. But look, it's a band. When haven't you seen so many bands, but when it's stitched, it doesn't stretch? Doesn't that make you crazy? It's a stretch material,
I know.
But it's made in a way that it doesn't stretch. Look at how ours stretches all the way. And then I do want to show you that this dress is lined. You don't have to worry about what undergarments you wear under it. You guys don't have to worry about, do I have to wear a slip? Is it going to cling? It's not, because we have got the lining here for you. The gunmetal gray is one of the key colors. Put this on with the purple jacket that's coming up later on.
In love with this color
any
and this
of the
copper.
Crimson.
This is a pullover, by the way, so you don't have to deal with any zippers.
No zippers.
No.
No.
It's so effortless. And it, too, by the way, hand wash, dry flat, no special care. $24.95 is all that separates you from this. And I like it even belted. Even though it's got a band, adding a belt is your option.
Think about this. This is perfect for Sunday morning for church, for the holidays, for synagogue,
absolutely.
for the office, for a luncheon, for just when you want to feel feminine and you want to go out to dinner. You could wear this for a wedding. You could dress it up. You could dress it down.
Parties.
And how many times have you gone to a wedding and you felt so stiff and uncomfortable? And this, you will feel easy. And you put it on, and you don't have to think about your outfit for the rest of the day.
You're right.
It's done. You put it on, it's done. And also, how fabulous with a great pump and with boots. This dress is one of those dresses that literally will take you year-round, but it is the colors of fall 2009.
So they are ocean blue.
Yes.
The gunmetal gray, which is a gorgeous pewter. I am in love with this color.
I'm so grooving on the copper.
The copper is amazing.
I am, like, loving the copper in this fabric because when This is a space dye, and you'll see this in all of the different pieces from Luminary Interest, the group that you're looking at right now. This is space dyed, meaning that there are 3 different yarns in here. There's a black yarn that stays, there's the copper yarn, and then there's another yarn that's neutral, and we dye it so that it gets an even deeper copper color. So you actually have 3 colors of yarn.
Cool.
Great shot, you guys, in here. And the texture, but it's so soft, right? You would think that this was like scratchy. It is as soft as CSC Studio, as Carolyn Strauss
You're right.
collection.
We are now
always
less
been.
than 1,000 to go around.
You guys are
Between
gonna
all
love this
sizes,
one.
extra small through extra large, 1, 2, and 3X. Again, the length here is 42 inches. Hand wash, dry fly, just dry fly.
Dry fly.
Dry fly.
Dry flat. Hand wash, dry flat.
Just choose your color.
You know what? And I hang it up to dry. They say dry flat because they don't want it to stretch. Ours don't. It doesn't stretch out of its shape ever. So you can actually, I hang it up to dry over my shower rod. And,
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's what makes these great travel companions.
They're perfect.
Seriously, nothing will wrinkle. So 487-851-2495 if you'd like to get it home. Don't forget, you always have an unconditional money-back guarantee with every purchase that you make. So if you're adding to your collection...